Hey guys, Steve Welch here. So some people might ask, what do you get in a Tacoma TRD Sport Premium Package, right? So Premium Package is going to add a bunch of things to the Tacoma, and I'm going to show you what it adds here right now. So I'm going to start right here with the seats. So you've got power adjustable, 8-way power adjustable, heated and ventilated Softex front seats here. That's something that's just going to keep you in comfort the whole time. Also has your lumbar. It's awesome. One of the easiest things to show you that it adds is right here, the 14-inch screen. That's the same screen you get on the Sequoia, on the Tundra. That is a huge screen for this vehicle. That is part of your premium package for your TRD Sport. Something else you'll get, you hit the button down here, the panoramic view monitor. It's wide angle lenses. You can see all the way around the vehicle. And also, if you are off-road, it gives you a side view. It allows you to see like you're standing in front of the truck, behind the truck. Just a really cool system. Something else that you'll get is your JBL sound system. I'd turn it on, but you know how copyrights work. So, but it also has your flex speaker, which we have them out while they're on here, but you can hit this button when you have this flex speaker in there. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker that comes with it. A JBL sound system. That thing is amazing. You guys are gonna love it. Something else you get, oh, it's right here. Moonroof, right? So most Tacomas, you know, if you look past, they didn't come with the moonroof. Part of your Sport Premium Package, it's going to open up the sky to you. Something else that a lot of people like, so you're going to come standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you don't have a reason to actually have to plug it in anymore. So since you don't have to plug it in anymore, maybe you don't want to, well, you could actually put it down here on your wireless charger and have your wireless charger charge it for you, because you don't have to plug it in. Something else you'll get in your package here is a heated steering wheel. So your heated seats are right here, ventilated seats are right here, heated steering wheel. You also have your heated and ventilated over here for your passenger side. And dual climate control is also what you get with your Sport Premium Package. Without the Premium Package, you have one side that'll set the temperature and the other side will handle the fan speed. Something else you're going to get is these 3 pre-wired auxiliary switches. So if you want to add some lights, you want to add something else to the outside of the car, customize it in a way for you, you're going to get these switches right here so you can make it look like it's part of the truck as a standard thing. Something else that's really cool, digital rear view mirror. Pull that back, it turns into a monitor. You can adjust it right here. You also have your home link right there. Just great being able to use that. So you can set your home link, flip it back here if you don't want to use it, and it turns into a regular mirror. It's really sweet. Something else as part of your Sport Premium Package is right here. That right there is your brake controller, an integrated brake controller. That's something that they didn't offer on the Tacoma. They had pre-wired it for a brake controller, but they did not have any options that would add a brake controller. Your Sport Premium Package adds it for you. Something else that's pretty cool, has a button right here. Hit that button and you can see behind us back there, open and close that sliding back glass. As you see it sliding behind me there, that's something else you get with your Sport Premium Package. Something else that you're going to get is, if you actually look here, you'll see these little buttons that are down here, right here. These little buttons. What that is that's actually a sonar sensor. You got 4 of them across the front, 4 of them across the back. It's going to look for like if you were about to roll into this vehicle, and it can actually hit the brakes for you if you were about to roll into that vehicle. Just a really great feature to help you, just in case your foot slipped off the brake or something along those lines. The vehicle is going to try to help you, keep you from bumping the car ahead of you. Something else you get with the Sport Premium Package is right here. You get the ability to hit this power down and power up on your tailgate. So you can hit the button on this side, hit the button on that side. Either side will power you up and power you down. If you come and look right here, you'll see this side does it as well. Bring you up while a plane's going overhead. That looks like American maybe. So the other thing you can do is you can still hit your button right here. You hit your button right here, it'll still power down, and you can hit any of those buttons, the button you just hit to raise you up, or something that I really love is you just kick it with your knee and it'll lift itself back up with a little bit of encouragement. So that's it, guys. The Sport Premium Package on the Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. What do you guys think? So Sport Premium Package adds all of those things in one neat little package. So in case you're wondering what the difference is between the other one and this one, those are the things that you get added in your Sport Premium. So Steve Welch here. You guys have a great day. If you guys need anything from me, just reach out to me at buyatoyotanashville@yahoo.com. Buyatoyotanashville@yahoo.com. I'll answer your questions. If you want to buy a car, you can come down here, Beaman. I'll do that too. So you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.